Good morning, children. Today, for Standard 6 in Mathematics, we are going to continue with chapter number 12, that is Fundamental Concepts of Algebra. In this video, we are going to learn about algebraic expression. Okay, first let us understand the meaning of expression. What does an expression mean? Suppose I have this numbers combined with these symbols. Okay, these numbers are connected by these symbols: multiplication sign, addition sign, subtraction sign, and these are constant symbols. Okay, when we have symbols or when we have numbers or literals connected by one or more of these symbols, then it forms an expression. Okay, when we have a combination of numbers connected by one or more symbols, then it forms an expression. Okay, if we have only constant values, then it is known as a numerical expression. When we have only constant values, these are constant values: 7 value is fixed, 4 value is fixed. Okay, when we have constant values connected by one or more of the symbols, then it forms a numerical expression. Then what is an algebraic expression? Last video I explained what an algebra is, isn't it? That algebra deals with quantities which do not have fixed values. Okay, they are denoted by this alphabets, the small alphabets which do not have a fixed value. They are known as variables or literals. So an algebraic expression is what? A combination of literals and numbers connected by one or more of the symbols. Look at this: 5x plus 2y minus z. This is a literal and this is a constant. This is a number. Okay, here also a literal and a constant. Here a literal, only a literal is present. Okay, and these are connected by what? Plus and minus sign. Okay, so when we have a combination of literals and numbers connected by one or more of the symbols, then it is known as an algebraic expression. What are these symbols? The symbols are, these are symbols: plus, minus, multiplication, division are the symbols. Okay, look at this example: x by 2 minus 6. X by 2 meaning what? X by 2 means x divided by 2. Okay, minus 6. Suppose I have 3xy, means 3 into x into y. When we write numbers along with the literals, we avoid putting the multiplication sign. So when we have a number written with literals without any sign in between, it means that all these things are being multiplied to each other. Okay, the number and the literals are being multiplied to each other. So here 5x means what? 5 into x. Okay, 2y means 2 into y. Coming to the next topic, that is terms of an algebraic expression. Now what are terms? We have different parts of an algebraic expression. This is an algebraic expression. Look at this. We have 4x plus 2y minus 3xyz. So we are having several parts of an algebraic expression. Now, when these parts of an algebraic expression are separated by plus or minus sign, then when different parts of an algebraic expression are separated by plus or minus sign, then each part of it is a term. So, in this expression 4x plus 2y minus 3xyz, we have one plus sign and one minus sign. So then what are the parts that are being separated? 4x. So plus 4x. No sign before it. It is plus 4x. This is one term. Plus sign before 2y. So plus 2y is another term. And minus 3xyz. Minus 3xyz is the third term. When we write terms, we put commas in between. Okay, so how many terms does this expression have? Algebraic expression have? It has 3 terms. It is having 3 terms. Now come to this example. A square b minus 3aqb plus 5ab square minus 4. Okay, so I told you that an algebraic expression that is separated by plus or minus sign, and these are known as the terms. Okay, each part of it that is separated by plus or minus sign is a term. We have a square b. What sign is having a square b? A square b has plus sign. Minus 3a cube b. So minus 3a cube b is the second term. See, I separated them by a comma. Plus 5ab square is the third term and minus 4 is the fourth term. Then how many terms is this expression having? It is having 4 terms. 3xy is one term. xy by z is also one term because there is no plus or minus sign. ABC is also one term because there is no plus or minus sign. We do not consider multiplication and division sign when we talk about terms. Depending upon the number of terms of an expression, algebraic expression is divided into monomial, binomial, trinomial and multinomial. Okay, now what is monomial? Mono means one. That means a monomial expression contains only one term. For example, 4xyz by 3b is single term. So, it is one term, no plus sign, no minus sign over here. 5x is one term because it does not contain any plus or minus sign in between. Okay, 6x square minus 6x square is one term because there is no plus or minus sign between 6 and x. 29 by 2ab is also one single term because there is no plus or minus sign in between. Minus 46, 7, these are all single terms. Look at another example. X plus y plus z divided by 7. This is equal to what? X by 7 plus y by 7 plus z by 7. Okay, you will think that this is a monomial term, but this is not because each term is being separated by plus sign and there is a common denominator. So that common denominator we can write like this. So this is not a monomial term. Coming to the next one, this is binomial. Binomial. Bi means 2. Okay, so this expression contains only 2 terms. 5x plus 3y. There is only one plus sign dividing this expression. So there are two terms, and what are the terms? One is plus 5x and another one is plus 3y. 4xy minus 6z. Minus sign in between. So two terms. One is 4x plus 4xy. Make it 4xyz. One is plus 4xyz and the second one is 6 by z. Okay. Then next is trinomial. Trinomial contains three terms. 2x minus 3y plus 5r is three terms. Terms are what? Plus 2x minus 3 by y plus 5r. These are the three terms. So hence this is a trinomial. 5x square plus 3 by 4 yxz plus 9z square. These are again three terms. What are the terms? Plus 5x square. Don't forget to put the sign that the term carries. Okay. Here there is no sign, so it is plus. Plus 5x square. Here plus sign is given, so plus 3 by 4 yxz. Here plus sign is given, so plus 9z square. See, here minus sign was given, so I wrote minus 3 by y. So how many terms are here? 1, 2, 3. 3 terms. So it is a trinomial. Okay. Then what is multinomial? Multinomial expressions have two or more than two terms. X square plus y square minus 2xy plus 8. It is a multinomial expression carrying four terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Terms should be repeating again. Terms are separated by plus or minus sign. Okay. So what are the terms? Plus x square is one term. Plus y square is second term. Minus 2xy is third term. And plus 8 is the fourth term. Then what is a constant term? In an expression, the term which does not contain any literal is a constant term. Look at this expression, 3x minus 6z plus 2y plus 5. 3 carries a literal with it, 6 carries z with it, 2 is z is the literal, here x is the literal, and 2y, y is the literal over here. But 5 does not carry any literal with it. Okay, 5 is the only term that does not contain any literal. So this is the constant term. So if you are asked to write what is the constant term, you will find for a term which do not contain any literal. Okay. Look at the another example. X cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2. Here you see, here the constant term carried plus sign before it. So we wrote only 5. But here the constant term carries a minus sign before it, isn't it? Then the constant term is what? It is minus 2. Clear? I hope till here it is clear. In the next video, we will be studying about the factor, coefficient, like and unlike term.